Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm telling you about how to get rid of double chin with 7 remedies. People who desire to lose weight are sometimes worried about the fat on some specific part of the body, especially the chin. Some fatty acids are collected downside the chin which causes the double chin. Double chin can not only occur because of gaining weight, but it is also a sign of aging. Because of aging, sometimes the lower muscles of chin, which is called mylohyoid muscles, loses its flexibility and starts appearing on the lower side of chin. It doesn't have any negative effects on health, but it doesn't look good and people lose their confidence because of it. Many people, especially ladies, use mufflers and cosmetics to hide double chin, but it is not the permanent solution of double chin. Surgery is also done to remove double chin, but it is very aggravated and expensive. Viewers, now you can get rid of double chin without wasting your money by these simple remedies. First remedy, cocoa powder. Cocoa powder has moisturizing characteristics because of which loosened skin is treated. It also helps to reduce dead skin pores. The antioxidants in cocoa butter reduce the sign of aging. It provides moisturize to the skin and make it flexible. Heat 1 or 2 teaspoons of cocoa butter and apply it over the face, body and neck. Massage with melt hands for 15 minutes. Massage upwards from neck to the chin. Repeat this process daily at night. Second remedy, green tea. Skin can be made flexible by the help of green tea. Antioxidants prevent in green tea helps to burn extra calories. Take 3 cups of green tea daily to reduce double chin. Also massage your face and neck with green tea bags. Fourth remedy, cream of whole milk helps to tighten the skin. Massaging the skin from whole milk cream freshens the face and make the skin flexible and soft. It also provides the basic benefits to the skin. Honey and milk can also be applied over the face and neck. Leave it for 10 minutes and then wash with warm water. Fourth remedy, neck exercise. Sometimes the neck muscles loosen because of no movement, because of which some fats start to collect on the lower side of chin. Make a round with your neck at least twice daily. From this exercise you can get rid of double chin rapidly. One more exercise is to make out your tongue and count from 1 to 10. Repeat this exercise daily at least 5 to 6 times. Now fifth remedy, tie the chin. Firstly apply olive oil with a cotton bud over the chin and then wrap your chin with a plastic wrap. Also tie a warm towel over it. Leave it for 45 minutes. For best result, repeat this process daily. Sixth remedy, body posture. The movement of our body affects our posture. Always keep your chin straight while reading book or newspaper. Do not bow down your neck for a long time. Bowing or stretching your neck too many causes loosen chin muscles. Always keep your back straight while sitting or standing. Do not keep your phone between neck and shoulder without using hands. It's dangerous for neck muscles. Now 7 last remedy. Selection of diet. Viewers, avoid weight gaining foods which contain sugar, sodium and junk foods also. Use fresh vegetables and fruits. Drinking more water helps to tighten the skin and make it fresh and flexible. Also the use of vitamin E is essential like dry fruits, sugarcane, apples, milk products, green vegetables, brown rice, French beans and oranges. Viewers, you may have to lose weight to get rid of double chin, but all of these remedies will help you to get rid of double chin. You can also get rid of double chin by this exercise. Tilt your head back and look toward the ceiling. You can also get rid of double chin by the help of a shaving gun. There are many expensive ways to losing the double chin, but these home remedies will help you to get rid of double chin as soon as possible. Double chin can go away easily by simple exercise. Also, we use different massages and masks to tighten the sagging skin of the chin. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share.